Like our bodies, planet Earth is mainly made up of water. Over 70% of it is covered by the oceans. Now imagine if we were to start drinking contaminated water. We would start getting sick, which could affect our overall health and have fatal consequences.
In the same way, think about the oceans. They're the planet's vital organs, like the heart and the lungs. Oceans are a complex and rich ecosystem on their own. The oceans control pretty much all of our lives. They hold 97% of the Earth's water. Even if you don't live near the coast, you also depend on the ocean. They produce more than half of the oxygen in the atmosphere. That's the very same gas you breathe. Through the ocean's current, heat is transferred around the world, driving weather and climate patterns. Evaporation makes clouds, producing precipitation. We know that the warm waters serve as fuel to tropical systems. These systems provide fresh water, vital to all living things. That's not all. Oceans play a key role in the global carbon cycle. They absorb the most carbon. Since the Industrial Revolution, the oceans have absorbed 50% of the CO2 emissions, changing their chemistry and making them more acidic. More acidic waters are disrupting marine life, altering organisms' interactions and reducing their productivity. As the waters become warmer, it's harder for them to mix, inhibiting the ocean exchange between the top oxygen-rich layer and the bottom oxygen-poor layer. Many organisms depend on this exchange to survive. That's why these areas are known as the dead zones. Our coral reefs are also in decline due to warming waters. Corals can expel the algae that lives within them. If they release it, they lose their source of nutrients. Water retains heat better than land, meaning it takes longer for water to become cooler. Consider that nearly half of the world's population lives within the coastal zones. Most likely, the warming will impact this region first. The changing composition and state of our oceans will have important impacts on all living organisms.